Logitech Bluetooth keyboard review. I much prefer typing on a physical keyboard. I purchased this Logitech K480 Bluetooth keyboard. I really love this keyboard because I can use it for my phone, iPad, and desktop so conveniently with just one button. The keyboard pairs easily and fast. The typing experience is decent with a solid key press feel. I have an Apple keyboard as well, and I like Logitech way better. The layout takes some time to get used to, especially the globe key, but overall it provides a comfortable experience for extended typing sessions. As you can see, the pairing steps are very self-explanatory, easy, and simple. These steps are needed only the first time. When you switch between devices, just push the button at the top right corner, depending on the type of your device. I have a major drawback, and it is its weight. The keyboard is significantly heavier than I expected, which helps keep my iPad stable on the desk, but makes it less ideal for portability. Overall, the K480 is a good choice for those who want a multiple device keyboard with easy switching capabilities. Thank you for watching.